hope you're doing absolutely amazing. So my name is Nidhi Jain and I am live with your questions. I have got lots of questions from your side, so I thought why not to come live and answer all your questions. So first of all, I just want to tell you that thank you so very much to shower your love with all the reels which we are uploading nowadays, because on the daily basis we are uploading new reel at 6 a.m. and once when I only wake up, I just see that okay, Germangyan video is there. So that is a very great thing and you are loving it so very much. So I'm very much happy for the same. So thank you so much for following the Germangyan page. And the YouTube videos, a lot of YouTube videos, you are giving a lot of love. So without wasting time, let's get started with the questions. So I have questions with me. Okay, so the very first question is, how is the student life in Germany? So basically student life is you can say a mix version of a very good you can say full of emotions. First of all, a lot of things are going extremely well for the students. Some of the students may face a lot of problems. Yes, in the initial state you will be feeling a family sickness, you can say, or the homesickness you can feel, but simultaneously things get better. If I am the person, if you ask me that you can go to Germany or you can just live for some days, yes I can, but if you ask me for the whole scenario, it will be very tough for me. But the students who are excited to travel and all, I love traveling to be very frank, but still I cannot shift myself fully like for the 3 years. I'm just coming for one visit in 3 years or the 2 visit, that will be not possible for me. So according to me, the homesickness for students in Germany is there, but otherwise if you take for the financial statements or the expenses and everything, then yes, you are doing extremely great. They are doing extremely great. The student's life, if you are living there in Germany and you are doing part-time job, because there is a culture of part-time job, right? So if you are doing part-time job in Germany, then it extremely well, because you are doing outstanding with your studies. It's a free education and you are doing simultaneously the part-time jobs. In fact, students do weekdays different part-time jobs, on weekends they are doing different part-time jobs. So they are earning extremely well. They are just living at different like they are living in a particular house, but the every room they have divided for different people. For example, in a home there it's a 4 BHK home, so particular one room will be dedicated to 2 friends, 2 people or the 4 people, and simultaneously they are just giving the rent for that small room, and they can use the washrooms and all. So there are different types of things which you have to keep in your mind while you are taking the home in Germany, because if you need a proper detailed video over that, then please do ask me. I will be so much happy to tell you for the same. But to be very frank, in Germany, student life is going extremely well and the great. Let's come to the next question. So which bank account should you open after going to Germany? So I have some list of the banks. So first bank is N26 Standard. It's a best bank which normally the Google has told me. So yeah, that's the one bank. Second bank is DKB Girokonda, and the third which I want to tell you is ING Girokonda. These are the 3 banks which are extremely very famous in Germany. So if you're going for to there, then you can open your account in that particular banks. Yeah, let's come to the next point. Okay, next point says, how does block account system works in Germany? So while you are planning to move to Germany, while you are like you have planned everything that now it's time to go to Germany, then you have to put minimum, I think so, 11,000 or something dollar in your bank account which is registered in Germany. And from there what you need to do is you can just, while it will be frozen till you are traveling to Germany. When you are in Germany, then I think so monthly you can withdraw $934 or around. It may change. So when you are watching it, please do check it with the proper website of the Germany or the German embassy. From there you can check. So it keeps changing on the time. So this much amount you can withdraw monthly basis just for your daily expenses. So this is how the block account system works. It is basically a system just to make secure that for this particular time you can easily stay without any tension. If you're not getting work, still you can survive with that sufficient blocked account money. I hope this is clear. Let's come to the next question. What are the general admission requirements or the requirements for the PhD program in Germany? So for that, the minimum requirement which is there is that you should have a valid master degree recognized by the university of your choice, of course. And if you are doing IELTS, then 6.5 or above IELTS. And if you are doing TOEFL, then 80 and above. Letter of recommendation is very, very important. If you have the language proficiency, that is the best thing in Germany, because it is necessary in Germany for the PhD people. And your prior experience, if you have, then it's just a cherry on the cake. Yeah, let's come to the next point. What are the career prospects for PhD graduates in Germany? Yes guys, I think so this is the very first time I'm answering this type of questions, so I have just find out some of the names for you. So you can of course get the professorship in Germany with PhD programs. Yes, once you are graduate from PhD, you can definitely go for this. You can opt for the dual careers, you can opt for the postdoc position, research group leader. I think so this is a very famous word in Germany for the PhD graduates, junior professor, researchers in industry. If you have done in specific industry any PhD, then yes, this gonna be an amazing profession for you for the future perspective. Research stays and visits, international collaboration. Yes guys, if you are from India or from any place from the world, you can just do a different collabs with your country and Germany. It's gonna be a crazy work, so definitely you can opt for that, and that will be a different passionate also, so we'll suggest you that you should do that. Okay, last but not the least, let me come to the question that is PhD degree is free in Germany. Yes guys, it is free, but in most of the German universities it is free with having no tuition fee and anything. But yes, maybe if you are doing in some German universities, you may find it. So guys, that's it for this live session. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are loving the live sessions program. I hope you are loving German with Germangyan. In case you want to enroll with Germangyan for any level, even A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, or teacher training program or interview preparations, just the module practice or the exam preparation or brush up classes, then Germangyan is one-stop solution for you all. You know that very well. If you want to book the tickets, flight tickets to Germany or two packages or anything worldwide, then PNM Traveling, which is a Germangyan different company, you can just get us and you can contact to us on 9643430783. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with Germangyan. Please do not forget to support Germangyan YouTube channel and Instagram page, on LinkedIn and everywhere. Just keep showering love and keep learning German with Germangyan. Take care. Cheers.